Hi, this is Lucas, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to install, configure and deploy an Windows image on Windows deployment services using the command wdsutil. The installation will be performed on a domain controller that is also already configured as a DHCP server. First thing to do is to open a PowerShell prompt and type install Windows feature WDS. Right after the installation, go to Server Manager and refresh. Now we can go to the WDS Management Console and take a look that the server is installed, but it needs to be initialized for the initial configuration. So next command, go to the command prompt and type wdsutil /initialize -server /server : and the name of the server, in this case is DC1 /raminst : and the path to the remote install folder. If the specified folder does not already exist, this option will create it. Now if we go back to the Windows deployment services, you'll see that the initial configuration for the server is done, and you can see the folders: install images, boot images. To start all services on a WDS server, type wdsutil /start-server. Next, you need to create an image group into WDS, so the command is wdsutil /add-image group /image group : and the name of the group you want to create. In this case I'm going to create Win10 for the Windows 10 images. I created this folder Win Sources, and inside of it there's the boot.wim and install.wim. This is the two files you need to make it work, and you can find these files in the DVDs sources folder or the ISO. To import the boot.wim, type wdsutil /add-image /image file : the path to the file. Set the image type as boot. Now we are adding the install.wim image that contains the OS images for Windows 10. Image type is install, and I'm going to specify that it belongs to the group Win10. Okay, back to the Windows deployment services. We can see that install image is into the Win10 image group. There's two images to choose. Next command is wdsutil /start-transport server. Make sure that it is started. As you can see in the properties, the Pixie response is by default set to do not respond to any client computers. I want in this case it to respond to all the clients computers that start a Pixie boot. So the command to do this is wdsutil set server answer clients : all. As you can see now, after refreshing, it is configured to respond to all clients' computers. Another configuration you have to look at is in the Advanced tab, DHCP authorization. You need to authorize the Windows deployment service on DHCP. WDS U2/set server /authorize :yes. Now, as you can see, it is set to authorize. Okay. Next step is WDS U2/set server /use DHCP ports :no. This is the configuration to make sure that WDS won't use the same ports as DHCP use, port 67, as you can see here now. This is the basic configuration. So now I'm going to start a virtual machine to demonstrate the Pixie boot. It has a legacy network adapter. When it starts, it's going to ask to press F12 after getting an IP address from the DHCP server. Press F12 and it's going to start loading the boot.wim file. When it starts, it's going to ask for the credentials. And you can choose which image you want to install.